When the job demands versatility, durability, and DOT-rated hauling capability, the Accessory Equipment DOT trailer delivers. With a 500-gallon low-profile tank and DOT-compliant trailer base, this unit combines stability and capacity for efficient liquid storage, whether you're moving water across job sites or setting up for tough operational days. Designed with real-world usability in mind, this trailer includes rugged fenders, LED lighting for safety, electric brakes for control, and a standard 2 5/16 ball coupler for easy hookup, all built to meet DOT requirements and keep you rolling with confidence. And when it comes to customization, you've got options. Choose from poly or cast iron pumps with standard or wet seal designs, add an air gap fill kit for dependable refills, and equip it with a fire hose adapter or fog nozzle with 30 feet, 50 feet, or 100 feet of 1-inch discharge hose on a reel for extended reach, perfect for fire response or washdown work. Need focused application? Add an adjustable dust control nozzle for up to 30 feet of coverage with manual or electric valve control, ideal for keeping roads, sites, and fields in check. The hose leading to the dust control nozzle can be detached and used as a fill hose as well. From everyday work to emergency support, the Accessory Equipment 500-gallon DOT trailer is built to perform when it matters the most. Ready for the road, ready for the job, and ready for anything you throw its way.